Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we'll do history. We'll continue our lesson in history, making of a global world. So the lesson is vast. So we have various parts. Each part has something to tell us. Now we were talking about in our previous class the Great Depression, the causes we have talked about, overproduction of food grains, as well as lending of loans to the European countries by America, and during the war time the farmers, the prices of the food grains, they fell due to overproduction, we have talked about. And to make up for the loss, the big landlords or farmers, especially in America, Australia, Canada, in Eastern Europe also, in order to make up for the loss due to the fall in prices, they expanded the agriculture. Naturally, it created more problems. More production means more the prices has gone down, and the farmers, they borrowed money from the banks, hoping to earn more money or make up for the profit, for the loss. So they borrowed money from the banks, and they could not repay. Most of the landlords, common men, peasants, businessmen, everyone. So it created further problems. Now what happened after that? Let's see now. Great Depression 3.4. US banks had also stopped domestic lending. The US banks in America, they stopped providing loan to the common people. Domestic lending. Domestic means within America. They stopped lending money to the people and called back loans. Whatever loans people have taken, the banks, they asked for the repayment of the loans which they had taken. The big farmers could not repay the loans, and the businessmen, small businessmen, medium, all the businessmen, people, they have borrowed money from the bank to purchase property, lands. We have talked about before in mass production also. So number 2, farms could not sell their harvest. Farmers could not sell their harvest. The prices of the food grains were so low, they were unable to sell it. Households were ruined. All the households in America, most of the households, they had no income. Unemployment was there. So their households were ruined, damaged. Business collapsed. Business also stopped. So because all the money was stuck in the form of food grains, in the form of infrastructure, and so on. People in USA had to sell homes. People had to sell homes in order to repay the loan to the banks. They had to sell homes, cars, and other goods to repay the loan. Just before this, in 1920, we have talked about the mass production. There people, they purchased properties, cars, washing machine, gramophones, refrigerators, houses, lands, installments. They borrowed money from the bank and they purchased, and they repaid it installment. But since then, the consumerist prosperity of 1920s, that prosperity due to mass production now vanished in a puff of dust. It did not last long. We have talked about that mass production, this good situation, prosperity did not last long. The same thing happened due to Great Depression, due to overproduction of food grains and overlending by the American government. So it vanished. This prosperity of 1920 due to mass production vanished, disappeared. Vanish means disappeared in a puff of dust. Ultimately, US banking system itself collapsed. Ultimately, the American banks collapsed, stopped functioning without any finance, without any money. Thousands of banks went bankrupt. Bankrupt means without money, and were closed. Thousands of banks were closed in America. Not only in America, in European countries also, there also banks were closed due to Great Depression. By 1933, you can see the fact and figures over here I have mentioned. By 1933, over 4,000 banks had closed. 4,000 plus banks were closed because they were bankrupt. No money. Because people, they took the loan and they could not repay. Now the banks were closed. They could not function. And between 1929 to 1932, you can see that. How many years? 3 years. Within 3 years, between 1929 and 1932, about 110,000 companies had collapsed. 110,000 companies had stopped functioning. They were collapsed or closed. Such a massive number. The Great Depression's wider effect. The Great Depression had a wider effect around the world, not only in America and European countries. It had an effect all around the world, sooner or later. Effect on society. It had an effect on society. Unemployments were there. Household incomes stopped. There was no income in the household. Whatever property they had to sell it. Even in India, the Indians had to pay the tax. The British government, to pay the loan to the American government, they increased the tax in India, and here in India the people were so poor. They raised taxes. The people could not pay, and they took out the golds which they had kept for a long time from ancestors, which was kept. They had to sell the gold, and these Indian golds have recovered the Great Depression. Later on we'll talk about that. It had an effect in India also. So, effect on society, politics, and international relations. International relations and politics deteriorated, came down. And people's mind, and on people's mind, people thought about the Great Depression, those happy days, those prosperities, they remember. And whenever they think about the Great Depression, they get nervous. They wish that this type of situation should not come ever. On the people's mind, proved more enduring. Enduring means lasting. The effect lasted for decades, for many, many years. To recover, it took a long time to recover this Great Depression. So, this was the situation during Great Depression, and it had a lasting effect, enduring effect, lasting effect for many, many years to come. 3-4 decades it took to recover that. And the depression lasted for only 1.5 years. From 1929 started and 1930, middle of 1930s. So 1.5 year, hardly 1 year maximum, we can say that. 1 year depression lasted for, this effect lasted for decades. Suppose if this type of depression had lasted for 2-3 years, then the world would not have recovered. So this is about the Great Depression we have talked about. Go through the book properly, and when I am explaining, listen carefully. It will be easy for you to remember. Once you remember, you don't have to mug it up. You know it. What happened? It sits or fits in the brain or in your mind, and you can remember and will not forget. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson after this. What happened? How they recover? How they managed to recover? What effect it had towards India and around the world? How people suffered and how they make up. Little bit I have told you about India. We'll talk about. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe. Do your regular studies. Go on online portal every day. Make a habit. Use your time wisely. That's all I can say. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching.